This is the home screen of the application, and you have quite a lot of anime wallpapers which you can choose from. All your special or your favorite anime characters which you can use their wallpapers. So you can go in the popular section here. You have a lot of wallpapers which you can use. As you can see here, you have One Piece characters and you have some other famous anime characters wallpapers which you can use as well. So let's say, for example, I'm going to use Naruto for example. Let's step on the Naruto wallpaper here, and as you can see, I can swipe across as well and look for other similar wallpapers as relates to anime. So you can either tap on the download icon here. I can tap on this to upload it right away, and also I can give it a like if I do, or I can add it to my favorite. Very simple. So that's how easy it is to use this application here. And in the favorite section here, you can pretty much see the wallpaper that you have added to your favorite list, and also the anime list section. You pretty much will see based on a specific anime character or a popular specific anime character, you can look for in this section here. So as you can see here, we have the Solo Leveling, which is a popular anime movie out there, and you can also see wallpapers as it relates to this anime character here. So it's a very good anime wallpaper application I would recommend to anyone. And if I missed anything in this video, please comment below, and don't forget to search. You can go at the top here and search for what you want. And with all that said, guys, see you in the next one.